Hello, thank you so much for tuning in to the Stream Machines YouTube channel. We are grateful for those who have come from our past, for those who are in our present, and we're very excited for those who are going to be in our future. We promise you three things if you come to this channel. Number one, we promise to give you the full fledged truth on all the content, services, and devices that are available to you. No fluff, no buff, just practical truths. Number two, we promise to be of integrity, honesty, as we provide also some of the best customer service and technical service for our customers. So if you're not one of our customers, it's very easy to become one, and you'll see for yourselves. And finally, number three, we honestly appreciate everyone that would recommend us to your friends, your family members, because the referrals are the lifeblood of our business model. And we aggressively want to earn your respect and by treating you with integrity and honesty. With all that said, thank you for being a part of the community, and we look forward to serving you.